I will show you how to create YouTube thumbnails automatically with Pabbly Connect. So what happens after, once you have done this, is when you upload a new video on your YouTube channel, a thumbnail will be generated automatically and you will just have to add it to your video afterwards. It's very quick, less than 10 minutes, you have your thumbnails. Like this, look at my latest videos, they all have the same structure with a different face and the text, very readable. How to do it? Of course, you use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is just an automation tool to save you from Zapier because it is so cheaper and it does exactly the same as Zapier. So in fact, you are using it, you can do much more with less money. So look at the workflow, which is like a Zap. How to do it? First, you have the trigger, the YouTube trigger. You connect it to your YouTube channel and you say when there is a new video in your channel, then it will do several things. The first things I do personally, because I do video in French, so oftentimes you have a comma in sentences, in titles. So I need to change this comma. I mean, it's not a comma, it's a quote, you know, to up sign. So with this replace text, I replace the comma for my tool to generate the image. So you see, all those are free tasks, which means that they don't count. So it's free. That's why Pabbly Connect is so much cheaper than Zapier, because a lot of tasks don't count on your quota. You don't pay for them. The first paid task is actually an external tool. It's called Switchboard. Switchboard is a tool, so you have others like Cloudinary, which allow you to create images from a template. And you just submit the things that change, like the text, the images, and it generates an image based on your template. So Switchboard, I will show you, it's very easy. You set it up one time and then it will do, you use it with Pabbly Connect. And afterwards, the other paid task is to save the thumbnail in a Google Sheet. So you see, it's very simple. Huh? In the trigger, you can see, for instance, on my YouTube channel, you can see that my latest video, we get the title of the video, and that's all we need, really, just to put the title in an image. So I have the title, I know that there is a new video, so it's updated every 10 minutes. So it means that maximum it can take 10 minutes after you upload your video to YouTube. Then what happens here is just a text replace. So it's not really useful that I show you because it's for my case. But it doesn't matter really, you don't need this. What happens after? You need to create the image with Switchboard. So for this, I will show you the tool. But basically, once you have created your template, you just choose your template here and you set a size. So I choose the size of a YouTube thumbnail, which is 720p. So this size, and I submit different fields in my template. Maybe it's time now that I show you the tool. Okay, so let's see. Here is Switchboard. Here I have created, you see the template for my YouTube thumbnail. When I open it, you see how it's made. Okay, you notice here there is the face of a person. Here you have the Canva, which is an image with a yellow background, a black row like this, and here it's transparent. And then I have other things like something underneath the yellow part. It's a picture. In this black circle here you have another picture, and here you have a face, and here you have the text. This is simply a template, and then by using Pabbly Connect, you simply change the face, change this picture in here, change the background, change the text. The only thing that I highlight like this is my logo and this Canva, so that the structure is always the same. So now I go back to Pabbly to show you more. So I go back here and you see here image person. I put an URL. For the text, I put the result that I got from the YouTube trigger. So it's the title of my video. Here for an image for inside the circle, and here below the yellow. So you can notice that I use some URLs, not actual images. Why? Because I'm using artificial intelligence service. So I will show you, for instance, for the faces, this one, I use this service. So every time it's called, it's a different face. So I refresh, I have many faces. And it's not from actual person. They are generated by artificial intelligence. So I have this for the faces, same for the cats. So you know, I refresh, always have cats. So this image, I put it in the black circle. And then for the background of the yellow video, it's some abstract art. So every time you refresh, you have something, an image of art. So that's all I put here in Pabbly. And then the response I get from Switchboard, they give me the URL of the image here. So what I do with that is that I put it in a Google Sheet. Here, Google Sheet, I put the video link, the title of the video, and the URL of the image. So what I then get is this. This is my Google Sheet. So you see I have 3 columns: video link, video title, and thumbnails. So for instance, for the latest video, every time there is a video, it's a row is added. So the latest one, if I go here, I click, then I have my image generated by Switchboard. So I just save this image and upload it to my YouTube video. So you see you have the title, an abstract, and this image doesn't change because it's generated once. So this is the face at the moment, the face of the cat and the art. But if you look at another thumbnails for the previous video, here I had this face, cat, and art, and the title. And same for another one. The same, a face, a cat, and abstract art, and the title. And it can also display the emojis. So that's it for this tutorial, really. If you have any question, you can ask me. But as you can see, you know, if I put it like this, you can see that it's very short. It just does the job automatically. There is nothing much about that. It's automatic. You upload the video on YouTube, and then less than 10 minutes after, you have a new row in Google Sheet with the link to your image for the thumbnail. You don't have to do it immediately. You can upload many videos and it will generate many images and add them to your Google Sheet. And then after you can go back and upload the thumbnail. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. Bye bye.